have you ever had a situation where your laptop overheats, or you feel that air's coming out of the fan but it's very hot? Well, this is one of the reasons. Right, so this time let's look at the fan. You can see by the video that the fan is very dirty. So let's remove the fan and have a look at what's really going on. Okay, the fan has been taken apart now, and I don't know whether you can see this, but look at all the rubbish, should we say, that's accumulated in the fan grill. This is one of the reasons why it would overheat. As you can see, not in the best of conditions. So what we'll do is I'll come back to you after I've cleaned it all up, and you'll be able to see a difference. Just look at this, how it can accumulate all that fluff, dirt, whatever. Just proves that basic maintenance will stop your laptop from overheating. So, as we can see now, a lot cleaner, and that's more or less how you would expect it to be for a better airflow. If you look carefully, you can almost see straight through the grid or the matrix, which proves that's a lot better. So all that remains now is to put it back together. So what we have here now is the processor, and you may notice it's got what looks like thermal grease. The thermal grease is actually hard and is of any use, no use at all. So what we have to do now is we have to replace it. Just a small amount of thermal grease is the best way, not to overdo it. But before that, as you can see now, thermal grease again, hard thermal grease. This has to be removed, and then we can put the heatsink back over the processor. Okay, so there's the heatsink placed back over the processor and the GPU, and I'm now pointing to where the GPU is. So they've both got a heatsink, and of course the fan is back in position and looking a lot cleaner.